Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today we're going to be unboxing and running a speed test on this Phixero P7000 Pro NVMe M.2 SSD. This is an internal gaming SSD for your PC or your PlayStation 5. We'll open this up, show you the drive as well as the heatsink. Then we're going to run a crystal disk mark speed test so you know what kind of speeds you can expect with this drive. So let's go ahead, dive right into the Phixero P7000 Pro NVMe M.2. So first off, I want to say this drive does come in several different sizes. This is the 1 terabyte version. It does come in a 512 gigabyte, a 2 terabyte, as well as a 4 terabyte version as well. If you are interested, I'll link it below in the description so you can pick one up for yourself. So a quick look at the box here before we open it up. Again, this is the Phixero P7000 Pro in the 1 terabyte model. It's an NVMe M.2 SSD, and it says it has read speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes per second. Let's have a look at the back here. There's all sorts of specs here if you did want to pause it and have a closer look, but a couple things I did want to point out. It's the 3D NAND flash, and the size is the 2280, so it's an 80 millimeter NVMe. So let's go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, it came with the user manual and installation instructions, as well as an NVMe mounting screw. Tiny little screw there, don't lose that one. And let's pull the NVMe and heatsink out of here. So we've got our aluminum heat sink there, as well as some thermal silicone film. There's 2 of those in there, as well as the bottom snap fit. So that goes down with some silicone film, your drive, some more silicone film, and then your heat sink on top like that, and it should all snap together. And then we've got the drive itself. So the Phixero P7000 Pro PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD. It does say it features the latest M.2 PCIe Gen4x4 and NVMe 1.4 protocol, delivering up to 7,000 megabytes per second read speeds and 6,600 megabytes per second write speeds. And it says it's compatible with Windows 7, 8, 10, and 11. You can see the connection down here at this end, and then the little cutout for the mounting screw down here. And that's what the back looks like there, and it looks like it says it's made in China. So I'm going to go ahead and install this SSD in my PC, and then we'll run a speed test so we can see what kind of speeds we're getting out of it. So I'll come back to you once it's all set up. All right, so I've got the Phixero P7000 Pro all installed on my system here. It started working right away. Now I do want to show you this. This video file here is 960 megabytes in size, so a fairly large video file. If I just drag and drop it in there, it's probably less than a second to get that uploaded to the drive. So this is super quick. Let's go ahead and load up the crystal disk mark test here, and we'll select the drive here. I'm using drive P for this one. And we'll start that test so we can see what kind of speeds we're getting out of it. And if you are wondering, I'm running an Intel i7 13700K with 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM here on Windows 11. So I'll let this test do its thing here, and then I'll come back to you with the results in just a few minutes. All right, so the crystal disk mark speed test is complete here, and we'll go over the numbers. You can pause it here if you do want to have a look at all of the numbers. I'm going to be going over the sequential numbers here, but not the random ones if you want to have a closer look at those. So for read speed, I got 7,100.60 megabytes per second, which is higher than what's posted on the box of 7,000 megabytes per second. And for write speed, I got 6,633.28 megabytes per second, which is higher than what's posted as well of 6,600 megabytes per second. So I'm really happy with those numbers. That's a really fast drive. This will be a great drive if you're looking for backup storage to copy files quickly to it, or for gaming. You're gonna get great speeds out of this drive. So again, this is the Phixero P7000 Pro NVMe M.2 SSD. So if this quick unboxing and speed test of the Phixero P7000 Pro gave you value, if it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.